Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be solving this interesting equation. Now I'm going to start by taking this 8 sine square s to the right hand side. So we will now have log base 2 sine x equal to 1 minus 8 sine square x. So we take what? Plus 8 sine square s to the right hand side, so it become minus 8 sine squares. So now my next step now will be to say that sine x, as this sine s here now, is equals to what? Sine x will be equal to this 2 here raised to the power of 1 minus 8 sine square x. Now this is according to the law of logarithm. The next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to square both sides of this equation. So now we'll say if I square sine x, now I will get sine square x. Now and also I'm going to square here also. So here will be, I'll put my square sign here. Then my next step now will be to what? Interchange this power, take this power 2 inside and take this power 1 minus 8 sine square x outside. So we write, we say sine square x is equal to, now 2 power 2, we write 2 raised to the power of 2, all raised to the power of 1 minus 8 sine square x. Then we continue now. Write again, sine square x is now equal to 2 raised to the power of 2 is what? 4. So say 4 raised to the power of 1 minus 8 sine square x. Now my next step now will be to multiply both sides of this equation by 8 times 4 raised to the power of 8 sine square x. So I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by 8 times 4 raised to the power of 8 sine square x. So we continue, we say this expression now 8 times. So write 8 times 4 raised to the power of 8 sine square x. Then times sine square x all equal to, I'm still going to use this to multiply this again. So we say 8 again times 4 raised to the power of 8 sine square x multiply 4 raised to the power of 1 minus 8 sine square x. The next thing now, we'll continue again. I'm going to use this 8 to multiply this sine square x. So we now have 4 raised to the power of 8 sine square x multiplied by 8 sine square x all equal to this 8 first. All right, this 8 times, now this and this, they have the same base, so I'm going to apply the law of indices here now. So I'll pick one of the base. We say 4 raised to the power of 8 sine square x. Now since this is multiplication, we are going to put what? Addition here, plus 1 minus 8 sine square x. So now then we continue again. So here now I'll write the left hand side again as 4 raised to the power of 8 sine square x multiplied by 8 sine square x all equal to, alright, it's 8 times 4. Now 8 sine square s, we subtract 8 sine square s, so we are now left with only what? Plus 1 here. So we have 4 raised to the power of 1 here only. Then we continue, we say 4 raised to the power of 8 sine square x times 8 sine square x is now equal to, this is 4 raised to the power of 1, and 4 raised to the power of 1 is 4. So we say 8 times 4 is 32. So we write 32 here. Then we continue again, we write 4 raised to the power of 8 sine square x times 8 sine square x is equal to, 32 can be written as 4 raised to the power of 2 times 2. We know that 4 raised to the power of 2 is 16. That's 4 times 4 is 16. And 16 multiplied by 2 will give us 32. Now my next step now will be to compare both sides of this equation. Now the power of 4 here now is 8 sine square s, while the power of 4 here is 2. Now, and this is 8 sine square x, and this is 2. So I can simply say that 8 sine square x is equal to 2. Then we continue. From here now, I can say that sine square x is equal to 2 all over 8. Then sine square x will be equal to 2 divided by 8 is 1 over 4. Then from here now, I can say that sine x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 1 all over 4. So by taking the square root of both sides in this expression here, that's how we got this. Then my next step now will be to say that sine x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 1 over 4 is 1 all over 2. So now this expression here, now it means that sine x is equal to 1 all over 2, or sine x is equal to minus 1 all over 2. Now, since we are searching for the value of s that is less than 90, we are only going to be considering sine s equals to 1 over 2. So I'm going to write sine x is equal to 1 all over 2. Then from here now, I can say that x is equal to sine inverse of 1 all over 2. So therefore, my final solution to this equation will be x is equal to 30 degrees. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.